If dry, cracked heels have been forcing you to keep your feet hidden in closed shoes, these 10 powerful home remedies can help bring back silky smoothness. The good news is that you can restore soft, healthy feet using simple household ingredients that deeply hydrate, exfoliate, and heal damaged skin. One surprisingly effective treatment is the combination of Listerine and vinegar. Listerine contains thymol and alcohol, which help combat toenail fungus, disinfect the skin, repair cracks, and even assist in treating plantar warts. Vinegar softens hardened and dead skin, thanks to its mild acidity. Together, they form a strong, softening soak. Mix 1 cup of Listerine, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 2 cups of warm water. Soak your feet for 15 minutes, then scrub gently with a pumice stone to lift away dead skin. Rinse, pat dry, and apply moisturizer. Repeating this weekly can gradually transform rough heels into smooth ones. Another excellent remedy is a scrub made from rice flour, honey, and apple cider vinegar. Rice flour works as a natural exfoliant that purifies and remineralizes the skin. Honey acts as an antiseptic that helps heal cracks, and apple cider vinegar softens thickened areas. Mix 3 tablespoons of rice flour with 1 tablespoon of honey and a few drops of apple cider vinegar to create a thick paste. After soaking your feet in lukewarm water for 10 minutes, massage the scrub over your feet to remove dryness and rough patches. Using this 2 to 3 times a week delivers visible softness. Bananas are also a hidden cure for cracked heels. Rich in vitamins A, B6, and C, they deeply moisturize and improve skin elasticity. Mash 2 ripe bananas into a smooth paste and spread it over your feet, including toes and nail beds. Leave it for 20 minutes before rinsing. Doing this nightly for about 2 weeks replenishes moisture and restores smoothness. Honey alone is another miracle healer. It draws moisture into the outer skin layers, helping repair dryness and cracks. Add 1 cup of honey to warm water and soak your feet for 20 minutes, followed by gentle exfoliation. Making this a regular nighttime ritual leaves feet nourished and plump. Vegetable oils such as coconut, olive, or almond oil are rich in vitamins A, D, and E, which support skin repair and renewal. Apply a thick layer to clean feet before bed, wear socks, and allow the oils to penetrate overnight for deep hydration. Vicks Vapor Rub works surprisingly well too. As an emollient, it locks moisture into dry skin, while menthol and eucalyptus provide a soothing, cooling sensation. Apply generously before sleep and wash off in the morning for softer heels. Baking soda is a strong exfoliating agent that removes dead cells and neutralizes odors. Dissolve 3 tablespoons in warm water. Soak your feet for 15 minutes and scrub gently twice a week. Aloe vera gel is widely known for healing and repairing skin due to its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Apply a thick layer after soaking and exfoliating your feet. Wear cotton socks overnight and repeat for several days to restore softness. A mixture of Vaseline and lemon juice is another excellent crack repair remedy. Vaseline seals moisture, while lemon's citric acid promotes gentle peeling and skin renewal. Apply overnight with socks for best results. Finally, Epsom salt soaks help soften the skin, reduce inflammation, and ease foot fatigue. Adding half a cup to warm water and soaking 2 to 3 times weekly helps smooth rough areas. These simple remedies can completely revive dry, neglected feet and make them sandal-ready again with consistent care and patience. Do you have any of your own foot care secrets? Don't be stingy. Leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with all your friends. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful home remedies.